Wait. Yeah, alright. Weird. But yeah, what up, Deezer? What up, Bacon? You know what I mean? It is what it is, I guess. Walrus, bro. That shit was actually crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Like, damn. I like it though. That shit's wild. I just did a bunch of work, okay? And I'm gonna have to keep on doing more, and it's gonna suck. And I'm procrastinating it, even though it's really not gonna take that long, and I'm probably almost done. I mean, dude, I just hate like setting up UI. Honestly, I hate designing UI. I spend so much time on designing UI, bruh. Free Henderson. Is that AI? I want to say appreciate the follow, but you never know if it's AI or not. I'm gonna keep it a buck. That could be AI, folks. So like, dude, I don't know if this is good UI. I feel like this is buns ass UI, but what up, Zom? Uh, yeah, I don't. Is can y'all see this red shit? I'm not trying to. Someone joined the stream. Okay. Um, that what? That's really decent. What are we talking about? But not decent enough. What are we talking about? UI Labs, it's just it's like Horse Cat, but you can do more with it. Like, and what is Horse Cat? If you don't know what that is, well, it just allows you to have your UI in code. Like like this is all UI that's being created in code. So at runtime, is that what we call it? And yeah, so that's pretty much what it is. Plain ass UI. Yeah, I know. But not decent enough. My script? What are we talking about? It's supposed to be basic, dude. This is the UI here at the bottom, right? So you're gonna have, you know, the level here at the bottom. Um, what am I looking for right now? Like I'm actually a bot. Level. Okay. So that's pretty much that. Okay. Um, still on this fucking stats UI. I finish it tonight, or I end it all. What? Oh, your UI? Okay. Dude, I told you, bro. You're doing too much, man. That's at least what I think. Look, I'm about to show you. I'm about to show you what I'm doing right now, bro. You are, bro. I don't know what the fuck you were doing. Look at my level. Look at my level controller, bro. Look at my level controller. I have three different sources for level, XP, and max XP. And if it were to get more complicated down the road, the code isn't going to get more complicated. It's going to stay very simple like this. This works, bro. There's no need for me to like set shit up in like a complicated way. This is fine. This was fast to set up. It's efficient to manage. So, I mean, it's like whatever. Is that what you were kind of talking about though? I feel like I missed the ball though too on what you were trying to do. I don't know what you were trying to do really, to be honest. But yeah, I like this setup though. Like this little simple setup. I think that's all you need. I mean, that's how it is in my that's how it is here too. Like here's all my state. Like look how many states I have in my warrior shit, bro. Like look how many states I have, and I'm using about right now. I guess I'm using all of them, and I haven't been using this one yet, but I think I'm going to in the future. I think I set this up for like something down the road I wanted to do. I'll remember when I get there. But yeah, this how many states I have just for the Warriors, bro. You using state handling? Let me see what the money is though. What's the money doing here? Cause if I'm keeping it a buck, okay. What's the money source going to? I should separate this. I don't know why I'm not separating that. Let me see where my money controller's doing. Date handling? I mean, that's what a source is in VOD. What is this game? What is your game about? Everything seems complex. It's uh, it kind of is at this point. I don't actually like. But I wish I could show you right now. I can't because until I resolve all the UI and then get back to the logic because of how I'm changing the logic from the simple version I had earlier to now the more complicated version. Um, Simple for the player, just complicated logic wise. But I can't, yeah, so I can't really show you until I'm done setting all this up and changing over to like the new way it's gonna work from the way that it worked before. And I just keep forgetting what I'm looking for. This right here, okay. Okay, now I'm remembering. It I am using money in pack for something. I'm remembering that now. Let me just go to that. Okay, never mind. I'm not using it in pack. Yes, I am actually. This is what I was using it for, and I realized I didn't need it here. Yeah, I could literally just get rid of this. I'm going to actually because I don't like it being there. It's just clutter at this point. Bro, what is happening here? Is it, what is actually happening right now? There, okay. I was on the wrong script. I was like, what? Wasn't paying attention to that. There we go. It just I didn't need to do that. I ended up not needing it, so I'm just gonna get rid of it entirely. Thanks, Malini. Malina. Thanks, bro. All right. Um, In short, it's like a tower defense. It's like a tower defense versus. So instead of having a set path, instead of having a set path, you're gonna have instead of having a set path, you're just gonna be placing them everywhere, and they're gonna go to where they need to be able to go to attack the target uh that they need to go to or whatever. And you can pick the target by selecting them and just picking the target. So I don't think I'm gonna add priority, at least not for the first version. I don't think it's needed. Um, like maybe it would be nice to have priority. Maybe it would be nice to make it work exactly like a tower defense. But I'm gonna keep it where you choose the target for now. It's gonna find a target automatically when you first drop it, and then you get to choose what target you want. Am I using maid? No, I'm not. I'm not using any of that. There's maid, janitor, trove, something else. There's so many. There's so many of those. I'd probably end up using janitor though if I were to use any, just because I've used janitor. That or trove. I mean, trove and janitor are the exact same. I'm assuming maid is too, but I would use either trove or janitor just because I've used them before. I don't know why I'm walking around right now. I'm just thinking about the UI real quick. Thinking about the UI real quick. This UI right here. The title should be at the bottom, and then I'm gonna have the character in this view. I think I like the size of this though. And then maybe I should put a button right here, a close button right here, maybe. I mean, I would like that. That or just put the close button like right here. I don't know. Back. I kind of like back buttons that are down here, to be honest. But a close button would still work fine. Why am I thinking about something so fucking irrelevant? Janitor made, yeah, it cleans up like events and stuff. If you're going to make a lobby with walls and stuff, you should make a script where the number isn't visible when behind the walls. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not making a lobby with walls and stuff. Um, and it's not visible when you're like in a match or anything. But the lobby is just going to be this regular base plate for now, and then I'm probably going to make this about twice as big ish. And then what I'm going to do is you're going to have your tower, and I might come up with some type of obstacle or something like that. Or maybe I'll actually go for the tower defense and put like little things on that you can place like range attackers and stuff like that. I might actually do that. That might be sick as fuck. Not gonna lie. Um, yeah, that might actually be sick. I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably gonna do that. But I keep losing train of thought. Like, what am I doing right now? I keep forgetting, bro. I don't want to set this up right now, though. That's the thing. Okay, so here's what I need to do actually is pack equipped. So this needs to change. Um mm, 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 mm. Okay, if this is what I'm gonna have to do here, right? If if props dot full pack enabled, then oh wait, no, that's not what I need to check. I need to check to see if they're actually in a match. Ah, shit. How am I gonna do that? Here's what I'm gonna do. What up, Castillo? What up, bro? So what we're gonna do here is we need to actually pass this in, bro. So prop stop full pack enabled. True. All right, and then what we're gonna do is full pack enabled. Let's go back here. We're gonna have to set it in there, dude. Like right here. So pack equipped. So full pack enabled equals full pack enabled. Just woke up. How's scripting going? It's going like all right, bro. Dude, my fucking like back's feeling weird. It's going all right though, bro. Um, what we're working on right now is this guy right here. So what I've done with this is all I'm doing is I'm just like putting you're gonna see the fighters that you have in your inventory right here, and then the info slot is gonna be right here along with the equip button. Okay, so that's gonna pretty much be how this is gonna work for the simple version. And like it works, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't need to be super like crazy. Like the UX of it, when I'm thinking about it, anytime a player opens this up, oh, I see them right here. I click on one and then I see all the info right here, right? The stats, equip, unequip. I'm probably gonna put the equip and unequip buttons in the middle, and then have the stats below that, and then the name and, guy right here, whoever he is, right? Yeah, it is. It's free. I just have the paid version. I don't know if it's this exact same. I'm assuming it's like damn near the exact same. The description said the paid version had extra features on it. I don't know if that's true. I've never gotten the not paid version, so. But yeah, it's free, bro. I'd recommend getting it. I see you could some white lines around the UI to divide the description description where you select the item. Um, I don't think I need it, to be honest. I mean, it's gonna be like clear as day. Like there's gonna be a character right here. There's gonna be the equip and unequip buttons. Then there's gonna be the stats of that character, and that's it. So I don't think I need any white lines. I think this is very simple and this will work for now. I'm almost tempted to get rid of this background, this stroke on the back of this, but I like having it, but at the same time I'm kind of tempted to get rid of it. But it'll be fine, Castillo. It'll be fine, bro. It's like not that deep. Yeah, I think it'll be fine. But yeah, let me see if that worked. I don't know that that worked. It did not work. Full pack component. Oh, am I connected? I mean, I would assume I am, but you never know, so it's not working. Oh, I see. Is this? Kind of confused here. Okay, so full pack enabled. Let's go to our full pack component, okay? Oh, actually, I don't know why this wouldn't work. Like, this should be working, actually. I've looked at this. Let me just look at full pack right here. Let's just set it to true to see if it's at least rendering like our component is rendered. Yeah, okay, just what I thought. Okay, let's see. Pack equipped. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, okay. That, yeah, never mind. So that is right. Uh, I actually have no idea why this wouldn't be working. Size constraint. Size constraint. I just be saying random shit when I'm like trying to think of what the issue is, bro. Yeah, this is right. So I really have no idea what's going on right here. I'm programming right now, just trying to get this weird issue resolved. I'm not sure why this is like not working. I mean, I'm just like, that has to be working, bro. It's actually kind of confusing to me, but hold on. Let me look at something real quick. I mean, look, like anytime this changes, see, anytime this changes, anytime pack elements, wait, am I kind of I'm just extra confused right now, honestly. I feel like it should be working, and it's just dead not. So this is what I'm gonna do. Something super corny, bro. I'm just gonna do something super corny. I just have no idea. All right, bro. All right, this is really corny, but this I don't even know if this will work, to be honest. Attempt to call a no value. Oh, interesting. Oh, 114. What? Oh. Yeah, hold on. What? Hold on. What? Oh, props. Props. It's little tricks, little tricks. Meta tables low key peak. All right. Um, why are meta tables low key peak? Oh, fucking dick. It's not working, dude. It's not working, dude. All right, so let me go to pack equipped and go back to this right here. Why would this not be working, bruh? If not team value or string.length of team value. This is kind of like what I don't get. So I think this is running. Not equipped, but activating character equipped maybe. But yeah, this is just a test. I don't know why this wouldn't be working. This is kind of corny, bro. Just to give us that little thing real quick, you feel me? I knew it. I knew it. I knew it, bro. Look at that. If not team value, what is team value right now? What is team value right now? These little kittens are freaking out, bro. Is that Zone Plus? No, I'm not using Zone Plus, you goofball. I use Raycast. Raycast. Yeah, I stopped using Zone Plus years ago. I ain't gonna lie. What am I looking at right now? All right. Yeah, why are we here? Why are we here? This is what I'm talking about. I just lost train of thought because I'm a cat. Then look, little kit cats, little kittens, all up on the whatchamacallit. Importing 1K lines of nothing. Importing 1K lines of nothing. What are we talking about, Zom? From the screen to the ping to the Jesus Christ, dude. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really care about lines, but Zone Plus is just not it. What am I scripting? I'm scripting a tower defense match, tower defense versus. That's what I'm scripting in a nutshell, and I keep forgetting what I'm looking for. Palm is sweaty. Heavy. They are going at it. They're like all wrestling the kittens. Is it hard to do or no? I mean, scripting is challenging. Yeah, so there is no value. So there is no team value. We don't have a team value. So we have if not team value or string.length team value.value, then we're going to do this. So why does it jump to this? Because obviously there is no team value. I mean, we're under. Oh my God, I'm a retard. Oh my God, I'm actually a retard. I'm actually a retard. Oh my God, I'm a retard. I was looking in player GUI the whole time. I was looking in player GUI that entire time. The entire time. Now I actually know what the issue is because I managed to look in the right place for our team value. Okay. Arena added. Matchmaking. I want to go here. I want to go here, and I know where it is. I know where it is. I know where it is. There it is, right there. Boom! And just in case I do some corny stuff like that, I'll never need this. I'll never need this. Like, I'm actually a goofball. But just because I know I'm a goofball, I'm gonna do it, right? I'm gonna do it. Boom. 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 We eating up client memory with this UI? What are you talking about? That's not true at all. That's not true at the frick all. There it is, right there, bro. There it is right there. And now what I'm gonna do is now what I'm gonna do is I don't even need this silly ass use effect, bro. I don't even need this silly ass use effect, bro. Like, watch this. Watch it work without it. Boom. So that was the issue the whole time, is just that our string was, it never started out as nothing, as like a zero length string. It started out as none. Because sometimes I use none instead of like just like a blank string. Um, but now what we're gonna do is in the pack equipped, we are going to do the same thing. That right there is what we're gonna do. So now when we open it up, we should be able to not see this because it's just gonna be like a lot. Yeah, see? So that looks like super clean. And then we can just have a close button right up here, I think. I think actually, honestly, if I'm keeping it a buck 59, I think fuck. See, that's what our shit looks like right now. Now, where would the back button be best? I'm thinking I don't want it up here. I really don't. And I'm thinking of just putting it right here. Right here. Have a little back button right there. Now that in that case, the scrolling frame's gonna have to come up a little bit. That's what's gonna happen with that. Scrolling frame's gonna have to come up just a tiny bit. Or I move both the info side and the inventory side down a little bit. And then I have title timer for no reason. I don't know, I'm just making shit up. And then the close button's right here. Or or close button. But no, that would look stupid because this is already taking up like majority of the screen. Like what would the best Spot B. I'm thinking right here. I'm thinking right here, dude. I'm thinking right here, genuinely. And then just having the info side be having a bunch of space. But I say we move this scrolling frame up a little bit, you know, and then we can have a little back button right there. So then it's a situation of we can go boom, boom, the old double click, the old double, the old double. Yeah, the old double. Okay, okay. All right. All right. Let me get that going. Let me get that going. Full pack. Full pack. Hells yeah. Hells yeah. Now we could use a UI list layout here, but it's probably not necessary. And here's why. Show you in a bit. Okay, what is this actually? This is what I want. This is what I want. Show you in a bit. All right, let's actually test that real quick. Okay. What? I don't know why this is all fucked up. My zoom in isn't working either, bro. Like, it's all fucked. All right. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Is that it? Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Okay. I don't know what the fuck. We took away point. Okay, so it was that. So okay, okay, all right. I thought it just would have moved up a lot more, but that's a good enough, I think, amount. Now we can squeeze in a little back button right here. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. I'm just gonna honestly put the back button up here because even though it's not, it's just I don't know. I don't know. It's just how I'm feeling. So let's just do a text button for now, or yeah, let's do a text button for now, or we do a frame. We do a frame. Gonna give it the old 1, 2, 3, because it's gonna be 3 elements all together. So I'm gonna give it the old okay, so for this to work, wait. Wait a second. Um, I see what I need to do now. I see what happened. It's because of this right here. It's going in the middle. That's why it didn't move up that much. So here's what I'm gonna do. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm adding in another I'm adding in another UI list layout. And now I'm going to I'm trying to think here. Stuff like this can be tricky. Stuff like this can be tricky. But so what we're gonna do for this right here, we're gonna basically have this be like 9 for now. Okay. And then, well, actually, yeah, I think that's how we're gonna do that. And then this really should be 1. Oh, this is like weird, bruh. Because then I don't know. This is kind of weird. Yeah. Let's do that 1. All right. I'm like just having really trouble visualizing this for some reason, and I usually don't. I think I'm just tired. But we're gonna have this frame right here. So that's gonna be the whole left side, right? We're gonna get rid of this because that's just not it. Okay, this is the start of the left side. So this is the start of the left side. Then we need a UI list layout in that because we're gonna have the scroller holding frame, and our uh our back button, right? Yeah. Okay, so now that I'm kind of back on track, I just what I think is messing me up is getting the perfect scrolling holder, just getting it in there to fit perfectly. I think that is gonna like mess me up quite a bit here. Hmm. I'm just gonna see what we're working. What the fuck is that? What the fuck did I just do, bro? Can't even see anything, so it's not helpful. Yeah, what the fuck is all this, bro? Hold on a second, dude. Okay. Layout order equals 1. This I think we can get rid of that. All right. Now we can put our back button in here too. All right, so back button. I don't see our component there, so I don't know what's happening with that. I think we fucked up. One. That's, I don't know, bro. Well, we got that back, but why is our little thing right here not up now? And this is also messed up too, so that's weird. I wonder why that's looking like that, the way it is. I don't really know why that would be doing that, to be honest. To be honest. Should I just make this it for now? Because I'm spending way too much time on this, to be honest. Just to copy some default stuff, and we can change it. Bro, like, where is it? It's fucking non-existent. I saved it too. Weird. Oh, I see. Okay. Cool. Cool. That looks good. Yeah, that looks good. I like that a lot. I really don't even need to change anything about it. Except just make it fit that, I think. So what? Was 7, was it 25? There we go. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. I think that works. And then honestly though, we could just not have it be so freaking crazy big. That looks a lot better. And honestly, do we want that arrow there? I kind of like it. What I'm gonna actually do though is I'm gonna pull from my description. This triangle right here. I'm gonna see if I can. Oh wait, it's the other way. I need a backwards triangle. Fuck. There we go. Triangle Unicode. Let's see if like this just works, bro. Like if it looks good. And then we'll just use that. Oh, come on. That looks kind of sick. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. I might keep it like that, bro. Give it one more space. Let's see what it looks like. That looks kind of ugly now all of a sudden. Like I like that extra space, but it's not, it's like too, just bring down the size a notch, bro. If we bring down the size a notch, what up, Ilker? If we bring down the size a notch, I wonder. I don't think it worked though. Let's bring it down a notch more. Oh, we're changing the fucking size of the goddamn. That would not. Yeah, we're changing the size of that. That's why this, honestly, bro, like, what are we doing? Like, This should be this, bro. This should be this. Like dead ass. Roblox 2017 old the ways. What? What are you talking about, buddy boy? Buddy boy. All right, and then now we're gonna do this because I really like this and I know that it's gonna look good. Oops. It still looks like ass. Oh, I didn't reset it though. All right, let me give me like a second to figure out what we're gonna do here though. There we go. But why is it all fucking, it's all fucking like pushed over? Oh, I see. 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 Dude, what the fuck is happening right now? What? Why is it? What? Like, what is happening right now? Actually, legit, legit, legit. That's why right there, I think. Which is fine. So what we're gonna need to do is literally put all of this in a frame. Not even gonna lie. Then that's what I was like thinking earlier, but I was like, it was like frame too many frames inside frames for me to like really get it all the way through. So this is what we're gonna need to do. So we are gonna do background transparency back one over here. And then we're just gonna put all of this inside. And then now we're able to do what we want to do. Basically, because we can't use position here. And then so now we can do the 0.25, I believe. And we can have the 1, I believe. No, that's not gonna work, is it? Let's see what that looks like, dude. Sheesh. Uh, I just dropped my phone. That sucks. All right, now we need that space, bro. Like, what is up with that? What is up with that? Actually, bro, that's so annoying and frustrating. Let's just do 0.9 on the X, I guess. Like, I don't freaking know, man. Why is the space bigger than what it should be? That's what I'm not understanding. Because we changed it the way we did, this space is not where it should be. It looks it looks right on here though. Like I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, that's perfect actually. So we're good. So this is good now. Okay. But why did we need that extra 0.25, which is so weird, bro? My what's this game called? Refinery Caves 2. What the fuck? People are actually crazy, bro. Y'all are wilding. Y'all are actually wilding. Yeah, don't know why we needed that extra 0.525 when we put it in another frame. Whatever though, it works and it's set up good now. So now we can add in our uh image button. Okay. I like using invisible image buttons. Um, so I can customize the button however I want without it giving all, just, yeah, I don't know. I just like doing it because of the text sizing, also the customization and stuff. Yeah, that's just how I like to do it. So, I'm gonna look up my other image button and see what the activated's looking like. So it's literally just activated, super simple. Love it. Activated equals function props dot full pack enabled equals false. All right. Cool, cool, cool. So this is set up now basically, and then we just need to set up the info side. I mean, I'm cool with the back button being right here like this. I like it a lot actually. And for this UI, it makes sense because of the info side. I don't want an X right here. I just want the player to focus on interacting with this right here. And then these are not going to get in the way of it. Like this isn't going to get in the way of this. So that's why I chose to have the back button right here and not up here. So yeah, fire, fire, dude. And then you got that double like I was talking about. That double, click, 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 click. You feel me? That double is very important because it's like, oh, I don't even want to. Some players be spazzing out and like just don't even like me. Like I sometimes like I'll probably sit here accidentally open my menu, but I'm such a quick thinker that it's like I accidentally opened my menu. Let me click back real quick. That's the double I was talking about. Bam, bam. Oh, I forgot to accidentally open my menu. I forgot to let me back again. And see, like, that's how quick I am at thinking. I can't even like talk that fast. So, well, I forgot. I forgot to accidentally open my menu. Let me back it again. What up, RZ? What up, bro? I'm all right, bro. Thanks for asking. How are you, dude? I just put this. Wait, we don't have our full pack. What? Where'd our full pack go? Am I only handling the equipped? We should have Fighter Z right here because Fighter Z is right here. Interesting. Your Goody? Goody is actually diabolical, I'm not gonna lie, bro. All right, let's see. What up, Hard Kosha? What up, bro? Okay, bro. Uh, Jesus. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. All right. Ah, fucking shit, dude. Champ? What's up, bro? I'm Chanap. I'm Chanap. I'm Chanap. Austin, what are you doing, bro? I'm trying to think of what else I was doing. Full pack. Yeah, we should have our full pack, but our full pack isn't being updated for some reason. So update equipped. Update pack. All right, let's do some investigating, bro. Just brush your teeth. Nice, bro. About to go to sleep. Fucking awesome, dude. Do you have a 9 to 5? Are you the guy that said that they had a 9 to 5? I can't remember. I feel like it was you. You don't got it. You don't got it. All right. Part time and do commissions on the side. Got you, bro. What kind of comms do you do, bro? Full pack enabled. Well, that's not good. Oh shit, we're not even connecting to update pack. I thought we were. So no wonder we're not able to see our shit. Wait, we are connecting to update pack actually. Fucking Jesus Christ, dude. Full pack. All right. Full pack. Okay. Current pack equals prop stop full pack. I'm a little confused here. We have add. Is this returning a boolean? Yeah, everything should be working here because we're updating our equipped. I honestly have no idea what's happening right now. I'm not gonna lie. Because our equipped updates, yeah, our equipped updates, but our fucking full pack doesn't. What the fuck? Did I miss something here? No. Yeah, no, I didn't miss shit. So what's up? What's up with this? Weird. Yo, who are these kids raging on what I said about refinery caves too? Am I still making the tabletop game? Yeah. Models and tieable PBR textures. Interesting, bro. But yeah, I am still making the tabletop game, my guy. And it's just like I'm now at a point where I'm changing the system a fair bit, and so I'm in the middle of doing that, and it won't be done until probably late sometime. I don't even know. Next few days, maybe it could be, honestly, at the rate it's going, maybe a couple. But I mean, like, so it's yeah, it's just being a pain in the ass right now. I don't know why the full pack isn't updating. Updated pack equipped is updating. And here's when updated pack equipped gets fired. Right here. Update pack equipped. Then this also gets fired. Update pack. And it just isn't updating. So yeah, super weird. Let's see if it even prints, bro. Okay, so it does print. All right. Now it wants to work. What the fudge nuggets? I don't know what just happened. I'm not gonna lie. I don't even know, bro, to be honest. Oops, I just said it's a false. Looks cool. Thanks, bro. Um, sounds good, bro. What up, Simon? Have a good night. Have a good night off soon. Mm. Now that that's working, um, it would be to do this now, which I'm really procrastinating. That's going to be all the stats. It's just because it's going to be like, let's see, it's going to be one UI list layout. So a frame, a holding frame. We already have this UI list layout. So that's the one UI list layout. Then it's going to be uh 3 frames under this frame. 2 of those frames are going to have UI list layouts. And yeah, it's just a lot. It's going to be a lot. And then there's going to be a lot of like, all the stat info, the buttons, and then the viewport. And so it's just going to be like a hefty chunk of to doing. But it would probably take, I mean, I'd probably get it done in around an hour probably. I just don't. It's already 1 a.m. I'm not going to do that tonight. Yeah. I made a fair bit of progress, bro. I'm gonna pass out. Yeah, I'm gonna pass out. All right. Alrighty. And the music is gone too. The music's been gone for a minute too. Like with the fudge nuggets, like with the actual fudge. Um, what the frickety fudge doodle crackers? All right. Thanks for everybody tuning into the stream. Oh, we're almost at 100 views. Oh no, dude. We might as well go for just the quick four. Psych. All right. Thanks for everybody tuning into the stream. I'll see you guys on the next one. You guys are so pressed about that cooldown, bro. Holy shit. That's funny. All right. Have a good night, everybody.